Hey guys, so I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette for this green smoky eye that I did for New Year's. I like to start with the dark color and with a like flat shader brush just to get the color like the darkest that I can. And I like to focus it like from the lash line up to the crease, like barely touching the crease. And then I like to go in with a more like condensed like little blending brush. And then I used this like lighter green shade. Just want to kind of use something. You can even use the same green color that you were using. This one was a little bit powdery from the Subculture palette and it got on the 4C green. So I kind of went back in with the same green from the Jaclyn palette and I just like barely touched it and started blending it right in the crease. The trick with this is that you want to make sure you do like short little blending strokes. So I ended up going in with some brown shadow in my crease to start blending it up. I don't want to keep getting the green color up into my crease. I want to keep it all on the lid and then blend with the brown color from my crease all the way up. So you want to kind of go for a brown that has like a little red in it just to complement the green. And as you can see, I do like little by little sections I blend it out. I try not to do like windshield wiper motions and do it really quick and fast. I try to keep the little like strokes short. And then I went in with a fluffy blending brush, like just a traditional blending brush with a orangey shadow from, I think it's the orangey one from the Jaclyn palette, and I went right on the outer crease. And then you just go back and forth with the green and then the orange and it'll turn out perfect. So yeah, that's all I did. So just remember just short little strokes and just make sure to blend it really nicely and use a few different blending brushes and you should be good. And then for the lower lash line, I did kind of the same thing. I used that little flat kind of little dense brush to do the green right on the lash line, and then I blended it out with a pencil brush with the brown and like orangey shade. And that's all I did for the lower lash line. I didn't do I didn't do any liner. I just left it like that and I put some mascara. And now I'm going in with Max Oak lip liner. I'm like down to the nub with this lip liner. And then I go in with Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D, and that's it for the lips. I just left it like that. I didn't do any gloss or anything like I usually do, but I really loved how it turned out. I kind of felt like it matched the crease really well. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys liked this eye look. Bye!